Bright and vibrant colors are a great way to catch the attention of the viewer and focus the attention on certain parts of the design. Also, they are great to give your design personality and sense of energy. So if you want to master vibrant color palettes and avoid your design to look overwhelmed or too striking, on this video I will show you how to use vibrant colors in graphic design. First, we need to understand why bright and vibrant colors are great used correctly. As in a competitive market, especially in social media with Instagram or TikTok, you only have some seconds to grab the attention of the viewer. That's where vibrant colors are so effective, as they catch the attention of the viewer instantly. Additionally, they can evoke bold and strong emotions, energizing your design. As mentioned, they are great to grab the attention, but let's see some characteristics of vibrant colors. First of all, they have high saturation, relying on intense, saturated colors that make elements pop. Think in neon pinks, electric blues, or vibrant reds that demand the attention of the viewer. Another characteristic of vibrant colors are often paired with dark or neutral tones to create that contrast and amplify the effect of the vibrant colors. That creates a striking visual balance and focal points through your design. Also, another way of using vibrant colors is by pairing it with unconventional color combinations, like for example orange paired with magenta or lime green, to evoke energy and excitement. Also, as mentioned, colors are a great way to transmit different feelings or moods because they have a psychological impact in the viewer. Like for example, yellow creates optimism or red can create the sense of urgency. By using vibrant or bright tones of these colors, you can amplify this effect and enable emotional triggers. Another great characteristic of this type of color is the flexibility, as they work really well in digital or printed media. But you need to be carefully when designing, especially for print, and select the correct color mode for printing, in this case semica, to avoid any discrepancy with the color. But we will later see how to choose the correct one and avoid these imperfections when printing. Also, if you are looking to create a more minimalistic or clean design, these colors work perfectly with this type of style, as for example, bold minimalism. To achieve it, you can pair a bright color with neutral tones like black or white to create that contrast and achieve a clean and minimalistic look without losing that vibrant look you are looking for. Now that we know the characteristics about vibrant and bright color palettes, it's time to apply them on an actual design. Now I will show you some useful tips on how you can apply vibrant colors in your graphic design without overwhelming the viewer. The first tip is to balance bright and vibrant colors with neutral backgrounds. These backgrounds can be white, black, or gray. This way you achieve that the most important element of your design uses a vibrant color and help it stand out from the rest of the design without looking chaotic or overwhelming the viewer. Another great way to use bright colors is to create focal points through your design. So imagine you are working on a poster for an event and you want that the viewer first sees the title of the event. So by applying a vibrant color to the title, you can ensure that the viewer will see the title first using that contrast. Also, when applying bright colors to create focal points, don't forget to create contrast between the background and the other elements of the design to avoid chaotic look and maintain that visual hierarchy through the design. Another great tip to use bright colors if you are looking to create clean, modern, and eye-catching designs is the use of color blocking. By separating different design sections into blocks with bold colors, you can create that visually striking layout without overwhelming the viewer. The next tip is to keep your color palette limited to only one or two bright colors and the rest be more neutral tones. This way, you maintain a cohesion through your design and avoid overloading your design with too many colors, elements, and in general make it look chaotic and overwhelming. So by limiting your color palette to bright colors like for example neon pink and yellow, and the rest being black, white or gray, another great way to use bright colors is by using gradients. By adding these bright colors to an existing gradient, you can add depth and dimension to your design. Another key tip when using bright colors is to always check the legibility of the text. As to its nature, bright colors can often be difficult to read, especially in small text or a bulk text. To avoid this and ensure your text is legible, you can use this bright color in the title of your graphic design project and use another color for the bold text. This way you ensure the eye-catching effect of the title without sacrificing legibility for the text. Next tip is to use bright colors strategically in small details to give that vibrant accent, to infuse energy without overloading. As mentioned earlier, vibrant colors work great for print and digital, but you need to think about the context and prepare your design before starting designing. Print uses FEMICA and digital use RGB. This is really important because when you are designing on RGB and want to print your design, maybe the colors will look muted or darker than in your screen. This difference can be really big, especially for blue. This is due that RGB has a more spectrum of colors, giving you more vibrant options as you can see there on screen. Instead, FEMICA works with tints, and in many cases they cannot replicate these bright colors you can see on your screen. To avoid it, it's really important to prepare your file before starting the design. I have a post talking about all the difference between FEMICA and RGB. It will be in the description. Also, you might think that bright colors cannot coexist with minimalist design, but that's not the case. As earlier mentioned, vibrant colors can work with minimalist layouts, especially if you want to create more depth and focus on specific parts of the design. Usually that mix is used in bold minimalism, with bold typography and vibrant colors, following the same philosophy that minimalism, which is that form follows function. Hope these tips help you to understand how vibrant colors work and how you can integrate it in the best way in your design. Also, I have made an article with more details and also prepared some color combination with bright colors that you can use in your next design. Hope you find this video useful and thank you for watching. And if you want to keep learning things about graphic design and master your skills, please give me a like, subscribe and comment your thoughts about vibrant colors. See you in the next video. Ciao!